Today I'm going to be showing you how to make homemade lemonade DIY recipe. What you'll need is 2 lemons, sugar and water in the bowl. You're going to cut both lemons, then squeeze all the juice out into the bowl. In a pot, you're going to add water and sugar. Mix it till it has all dissolved, but don't overheat it. Add the lemon juice. Once it's boiled and the sugar has dissolved, pour it with the lemon juice, water. That's the final result of this recipe. Following this recipe, give this a like and subscribe for more recipes.